Hi again, babies. Now we are going to go over sample paragraph 1 using our RAFTed focus on task and text and organization. All right, so let's look at sample 1. These are actual student work from your classmates. They're taken from all 4 of my class periods. So when we look at the prompt, right, we're writing a paragraph, and we're trying to prove, we're trying to answer the question, should boys and girls have equal access to school sports? And we're going to be using our RAFT lists to make sure we're good. All right, so let's read it. Go ahead and track sample 1. Can I have a brave reader? Do it.
Boys and girls should have equal access to school sports. I think that it should happen because it would really not be considered fair for one gender to be able to play sports and another not be able to play sports. And something that can help them is they actually get to feel put together and part of something. It's important for several students due to the fact that a lot of them can feel lonely or even not like they are part of something. Overall, I think they would feel better off doing something good
And that they may like to do.
They may like to do.
All right, thank you. So let's take a look. Let's look at our task. Focus on task and text. Let's look at our checklist here. Does it show understanding of the question? Does this person understand the question?
Yes.
Absolutely. Check 1. Don't put a checkbox yet, okay? I mean, if you want to check it, that's okay, but do it in pencil so you can like erase it so you can use it again, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it use relevant information and evidence?
Yes.
Well, what would be relevant information to equal access to sports? We want to talk about sports, right?
Yes.
And people may be feeling fair or equal. So is this relevant? Check. Nope.
Oh, yeah.
It's relevant. It's on task, right?
Yeah.
All right. Check. Does it complete all parts? Well, for that, we got to look at the prompt.
Yeah.
Does it answer that question?
Yes.
Okay. Does it include a topic sentence, evidence, explanation, and a summarizing sentence?
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
Sure does.
It does.
Completes all part? Check. Is it on task?
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is.
is.
It's not talking about coffee or dogs or, I don't know, bunny rabbits?
No.
It's on task.
It's talking about sports.
Check.
Sports and gender.
Okay. Is this arguing? It's not just stating, it's arguing?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, wait.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Could somebody disagree with this?
Yes.
Then that's an argument. Bada bang, bada boom. Is it confusing?
No.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's straight up.
Check. It's straight up. It's very clear.
Yeah.
Could it improve? Absolutely. Everybody can improve. But is it clear? Is it clear what they're talking about?
Yes, it is.
Bada bing, bada boom. Focus on task and text. They got a 3. So I'm going to write on here, focus on task and text. F on T and T. 3. All right. And then for organization, we'll also be grading it. So turn your raft paper to organization. And let's take a look at the task for this. Does this have a clear claim?
Yes.
What is the claim?
Girls, both genders can play
Play
a sport.
Boys and girls should have equal access to school sports.
Yes.
Has it got a claim?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Does it have a counterclaim? Does it say like, oh, some people think boys and girls are not equal? Does it say
Yes.
anything like that?
No.
Does it? Okay, so does it have a counterclaim?
No.
No, so do not check that box. Does it make sense and is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
Sure does. We already found that out. Does it have evidence and reasons?
Yes, it does.
Where?
There.
Right there.
Where it says,
This is important.
I think that this should happen because it would really not be considered fair, blah, blah, blah. Is that evidence and reason?
Yes.
Bada bing, bada boom. Check it off. Does it have connections?
No.
Well, what would be a connection? How would you connect these ideas?
When they say that someone can feel lonely.
Someone could feel lonely. That connects to being equal. How about this is important? Is that a connection?
Yeah. No, it's a thing. No.
Is that a connection between this part and this other part?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know. You tell me. Does that feel connected?
Yes.
Ozzy thinks it feels connected. Ozzy, what about this makes it feel connected for you? It says this is. What is this? It's referring to this. Eh? That's a connection. Bada bing, bada boom. We're connected.
Boom.
Ah. So we got connections. Do we have transitions?
Kind of.
Shh. I'm going to point out the transitions for you. We got overall. And this is important. Transitions are connectors. If it's got connections, it's probably got transitions. Check off transitions. It got them. Does it have a conclusion that supports the claim? I think they would be better off doing something good and that they may like to do. Does that relate to having equal access to school sports?
Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom. We got a conclusion. So on this list, what's the only thing we didn't check?
Counterclaim.
Counterclaim. But I'll tell you what.
What?
I'm not requiring a counterclaim for this paragraph. So it's okay that they don't have counterclaim checked. So what score did they just get?
9. Oh no.
A 3. Good job.
Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a proficient paragraph. Good job, person who wrote this.
Good job.
Now, here's what I want you to know about this paragraph. Here's what I want you to know about this paragraph. This paragraph is not perfect. This paragraph has a lot of room to grow. Good. That gives me something to do. Okay? So this person, they can absolutely get better. They are not writing as well as a grown-up can. So we're going to help them get there. Are you ready to try sample 2? Okay. 5 minutes. Try sample 2. Do it now.